In a previous time, we will be introduced about the concept surds. In that introductions, we can be study the definition of the surds, and we can also study about the simplest form of the surds. Today, we can be continue that concept surds, and in that concept, we can be study about the similar or the like surds. So we can be start the similar or the like surds. In that starting, we can be get the some different concept. In that different concept, we studied about the equation. So in that equations, we can be studied the addition and the subtraction of the equation. So how the addition and the subtraction of the in an equation can take place? We know them when in an equation we can be see them the like terms. In that like terms, the addition and the subtraction are carried out. So we can be get the some equations 3x minus 4x square plus 6x minus 7x square. So if we have tried to get addition and subtraction, so we have called them 3x and the 6x. The addition can take place in between them. So 3x plus 6x, and then after them the 4x square and the 7x square minus 4x square minus 7x square. How we can we rearrange that equation in this way? Because of we can say about them 3x and the 6x are the like terms, and the addition and subtraction are get carried out only and only in a like term. So why we have called them it is a like term? Because of we can be see them that x is the variable are the same. Not only the variable are the same, the order of that variable are also same, and that is why we can rearrange them. So 3x plus 6x in here the variable x are also same, as well as the order of their 2 are also the same, and that is why we are also rearrange them, and then we are carry out the addition is the 9x, and then after them the addition is the minus 11x square. Then after that, if we have think about the addition or the subtraction can take place in between them, we are saying no. Why? Because of the variable x are the same, but it is not important. The variable are also not important. The order of the variable are also important, and we can see them. The variables are the same, but order are the different, and that is why we can say them these are the not the like terms, and the subtraction is not carried out in between them. So we are know that form, and we are just only think about, and we can be get studied about, and we are just only considered about that form. Then we are say about them who are the similar or who are the like surds. Then in the surds, the important part is the radicand. We are get the different surds. So surds 3, surds 5, surds also 3, and the surds also 5. If we have think about them, who are the like surds? Who are the like surds? Then we are say about them, these are the like surds. Why we have called them these are the like surds? Because of the both are the show. The radicand are the same. The radicand are the same, and the order of the surds are also same. You are think about them. The 2 are in here right now, and in here no any figure, but according to the definition of the surds, we are just only think about them. The order of the surds is greater than 1, that means the 2, and it is not necessary then if we have write down them or if we have not write down them, but we are consider the order of the 2, and that is why these two surds we have called them, these are the like surds. So why we have called them it is a like surd? Because of in that surds the radicand are the same, as well as the power of the surds are also same, and that is why these two surds we are called the like or the similar surds. So in that examples we get the definition of the surds, like surds. So the definition of the like surds: in a 2 or more than 2 surds in their simplest form, if the order and the radicand both are same or equal, that surds are called like surds. That surds are called like surds. That means the simplest form of the surds are necessary. When we are convert the surds in their simplest form, and in that simplest form, if the order and the radicand both are same in a 2 or more than 2 surds, then that surds we are calling it is the like surds. We get the different examples. So in that example we can get the first example is root 45 and root 120. That means the surds 45 and surds 125. These are the like surds. So it is not important because of it is not a simplest form of the surds. We are convert them first in their simplest form. So the 45 surds 45 and the surds 125 we are convert them in their simplest form, and then after them we are think about them. These are the like surds or these are the unlike surds. So we are convert them in their simplest form. So we are get the first 45. So how we can convert them? We are get the product of the two numbers. In that two numbers we are know the one number perfect square root, because of the order of the surds is a 2. That means we are convert them. So in that product form we get the 9 into 5, because of 9 5s are 45. So in that 9 into 5 we are convert. We are still separate them. Surds 9 into surds 5, and then after them we are get the square root of the 9 is the 3 into surds 5. So we are get the answer is the 3 surds 5. These are the simplest form. We are convert that 125 again in their simplest form. So the 125, how we can convert them? The 125, that means 25 5 are 125. So we are get split up 125 in a two number product form is the 25 into 5. We have split up the 125 in their two number product form is the 25 into 5. We are again split up them 25 surds into 5 surds. So we are get the square root of the 25 is the 5 and we are write down the surds 5 and we are get the answer 5 surds 5. So in that both simplest form we are get the surds 5 is the equal radicand. Radicand are the equal and we are also seeing the order of the surds are also the same, and that is why that simplest form of the surds they are show the like surds. So that is why we are write down then. Therefore 3 surds 5 and 5 surds 5 are the like surds. Are the like surds. So why they are the like surds? Because of the root 5, surds 5, both are the equal radicand. You are say about them, sir, the 3 and the 5 are the different coefficient. Coefficient is nothing important role in the similar or the like surds. The important role take part in a similar or the like surd is only the radicand and the order. And when the order and the radicand both are in equal, then when they are converted in their simplest form, and in that simplest form we are seeing the radicand and the order are the same. The coefficient is totally different in one. So that surds we are called the like surd. So in this way we are find out the like surds in the form of the surds. So the next part of the surds is the comparison of the surds. Comparison of the surds. So how we can we compare the surds? The surds are get comparison of the surds is totally depends on the rule of the rational number. How we can we compare the two rational numbers? For example, 18 and 27. If we have compared that rational number, so in that comparison we are know them which rational number value is a greater. The rational number 27, their value is the greater as compared to the 18, and that is why we are write down the answer 18 is a less than 27, or we can be read it 27 is a greater than 18. We are use that rule, and in that using that rule we are compare the two surds. So that means the comparison of the surds are also depends on the value of the radicand. The value of the radicand. And if we have converted them in a surds, if we have converted them in a surds, that means the surds 18 and the surds 27. So the 18 and the 27 are the radicand. So which radicand is a greater one? We are know them. The 27 is the radicand is a greater one, and that is why we are write down the answer. Surds 18 is a less than surds 27. Surds 18 is less than surds 27, or we can be read it. Surds 27 is greater than the surds 18. So that means how we can we compare the surds in a two or more than two surds. If the radicand is whose radicand is a greater, that surd is a greater, and whose radicand is a smaller, that surd is a smaller. But in here the order are also most important. the comparison of the surds is not only depend on the radicand value. The comparison of the surds is also can depend on the order of the surds. If the order are the same, then we are compare the surds. That means in a comparison of the surds, if the order of the given all surds are same, then we are compare them. Then we are compare them. If the order of the given all surds are same, that means if the order are the same, then we are compare them. And if the order are not same, we are discuss for the next time. So we can first discuss about if the order are the same, and if the order are the same, then we can compare the surds by to the value of the radicand. So that is why we can get the comparison of the surds if the given all surds show same order, then the surds who show the greater radicand, that surds is greater than another surds. If the surds can show the same order, and if the surds are show the greater radicand, that surds is a greater than another surds. We can get the different examples. So in that examples, if we have get the surds 3 and the surds 7. So the both surds are show the same order 2. Then we can compare them by to the radicand value. So which radicand is a greater one? So the 3 is less than 7. 3 is less than 7, and that is why we are showing the 3 surds 3 is less than the surds 7. Okay, but if the surds show the coefficient to them, so how we can compare them? The surds can be shown the coefficient to them. So the second example, in that second example, 3 surds 5 and 2 surds 6. If we have compared them, which surds is a greater one and which surds is a smaller one. So we are convert that simplest form of the surds in their mixed form. So how we can convert them? That 3, this coefficient we have split up in the surds. How we can split up them? The order is the 2. In here the order is the 2. That means we get the square of the 3, and that square of the 3 are split up in that surds, and we get the product with 5. 3 square into 5, and in another surds the 2 square into 6. So the square of the 3 is a 9 into 5 and the square of the 2 is the 4. 4 into 6. So 9 5s are 45 and 4 6s are 24. So we have get the order 2 are the same. So the in 45 and 24, 45 and 24, 45 are the greater one than 24 and therefore the surge 45 is a greater than surge 24. We are convert the surge 45. The 3 surge 5 is a greater than 2 surge 6. So in this way we are compare the given two surges if they are given in the simplest form and if they are given in a mixed form. But in the both example we are get the order are the same, and if the order are not same in a given two surges, so how we can we compare them? We get the third example. In that third example, surge 3, the order is there 2, and the another example is the surge 4 and the order is the 3. In that example, we get the both surges are show the order is the different. Both surges show order is different. So how we can we compare them? To first we are get the order are the same. So how we can we get the order are the same? By taking the LCM of the both order. Therefore, by taking LCM of 2 and 3. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? We get the product. 2 3s are 6. 6 is the LCM of 2 and 3. Then after then we are convert that order into the 6. So the first surge 3, the order is the 2. So that order 2, when we are convert them into the 6, we are multiply that 2 by to the 3, then we get the answer is the 6. So in that order we are multiply to the 3, but we not only multiply to the 3, we get the third power of the radicand 3. And then we get the order is the 6. We not only just multiply to the order 2, we get the power of the 3 of the radicand 3, and then we are get the new surge. In that new surge, who is the power of the 3? What is the value of the power of the 3? That means we are multiply the 3 times 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. That means we get the new surge is the 27 order 6. Then after that the second surge is the order 3. Surge force or order 3. When we have 3 is multiplied to the 2, we get the answer is the 6. Then we are multiply 3 into 2, and in that radicand we get the second power of the radicand. So 3 2s are 6, and the second power, that means the square of the 4 is the 60. So we get the both order of the surds, given surd are the same. So therefore, surds 27 is their order is the 6, and the surds 16 is their order is also 6. So we just only think about the radicand. So which radicand? 27 or the 16? Which is are the greater one? 27 are the greater one. So therefore, surds 27 is greater than surds 16. So we are convert that surds 27 by to the surds 3 order 2 is greater than the second surd, that means the surds 4 order 3. So in this way we are compare the given two surds if their order are not same and if the order are the same. So these are the comparison of the given two surds. Now the next is the operation on surds. Which operation is carried out on a surds? There are the four mathematical operations. The OR, mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are carried out in the surds. The all mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are carried out in a surds. But by following some rules, and due to that rules, we are carry out that all mathematical operation in a surds. So which rule? So the first rule for the addition and subtraction. The rules for addition and subtraction. Rules for addition and subtraction. The addition and subtraction are carried out only and only the simplest form of the surds. So the first rule is they are carried out only in the simplest form of surds. Simplest form of surds. That means when we have get the simplest form of the surds, then the addition and the subtraction is can be get carried out. So the second rule, not only the simplest form of the surds are important, the like simplest form of the surds are important. That means the simplest form and the like surds, then the addition and subtraction are carried out. Then the second rule is the like surds are necessary. The like surds are necessary. That means when the like surds are given in their simplest form, then the addition and the subtraction are carried out in a surds. And these are the two most important rules for the operation on a addition and subtraction in a surds. When we are following the addition and subtraction in a surds, we are follow that two rules. First, we are get the simplest form of the surds, and second one we are carry necessary the surds like surds. In them we are get the operation addition and subtraction in a surds. So the second is the rule for multiplication and division. The rule for multiplication and division. So in a multiplication and divisions, we are never get the simplest form of the surds, but we are get the order of the each and every surds are the same. If the order of the each and every surds are the same, then we are carry out the multiplication and division of the surds in them. These are the most only and only one important rule for the operation of multiplication and division in a surds. So the only and only one important rule is, if the order of the given surds are same, then to carry out the operation, if the multiplication and divisions, if we have carried out that operation in a surds, then we are needed the order of the each and every surds are the same, and if the order of the each and every surds are the same, then we are carry out the multiplication and division of the surds. So all these are the rules. When we have followed them, we are easily carry out the all mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in a surds. So the next topic is to rationalize the surds. Next topic is rationalization of surds. So what is meant by rationalization of surds? If we have get the product of the two surds, if we have get the product of the two surds is a rational number, then every surds is called as the rationalized factor of the another surds. That means if we have get the product, and in that product if we have get the answer is a rational number, then that two surds is called as the rationalized factor of the given surds, and that is why the rationalization of surds is there when we get the product of given two surds is rational number. When we get the product of the given two surds is a rational number, then every surds are called rationalized factor of other. Rationalized factor of other. We get the example. Example. We get the surds 3, and if we have multiplied that surds 3 by the surds 12, If we have multiplied them by to the surds 12, we get surds 3 into surds 12. Surds 3 and surds 12. Both are show the equal order. We get if the order of the given surds are same, then to carry out the operation. The order are the same, then we are directly carry out the operation. Is the 3 into 12. So the 12 threes are 36. 36 is the full square number, and we have get the square root of the 36 is the 6. 6 is a rational number, and then we have got them. Surds 12 is the rationalized factor of the surds 3, or surds 3 is the rationalized factor of the surds 12. In this way, we are easily carry out the rationalization of the surds.